Samsung's latest addition to the Galaxy FE series, the S24 FE, offers a compelling blend of performance and affordability. The device boasts a larger 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and vision booster for enhanced outdoor visibility. The S24 FE is powered by the Exynos 2400E processor, ensuring smooth performance for daily tasks and demanding applications. Samsung has also brought its flagship-grade ProVisual engine to the FE series, which includes nightography for improved low-light photography and an object-aware engine for optimized colors in Super HDR. The S24 FE packs a powerful camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 3x8-megapixel telephoto lens for zoom capabilities, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For selfies, there's a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. To keep users powered throughout the day, the S24 FE is equipped with a larger 4700 mAh battery that supports 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. The device runs Android 14 with One UI 6.1 out of the box and benefits from Samsung's commitment to long-term support with guaranteed updates for 7 OS generations and security patches for 7 years.
You can run, but you can't hide.